Stop trying to out-hustle your debt. The harder you push against lack, the more resistance you create. You've read the books. You've made the vision boards. You've hustled until you're exhausted, and the money still doesn't flow the way it should. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Financial anxiety isn't a math problem. It's a frequency problem. And decades ago, Florence Scovel Shinn left behind 7 specific phrases, spiritual solvents, she called them, designed to dissolve that frequency of lack at the root. Not affirmations you repeat with gritted teeth. Words that melt resistance instead of fighting it. By the end of this video, you'll have all 7. Let's begin. We live in a culture that worships hustle. Work harder, grind more, push through exhaustion until the money finally arrives. But Florence Scovel Shinn taught something almost the opposite of everything modern hustle culture preaches. She believed that financial anxiety is not just an emotion. It's a physiological frequency, a tense, frantic state that actually blocks the natural, easy arrival of resources. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that the more desperately you chase money, the further it seems to slip away? That's not bad luck. That's resistance. Florence called the antidote a spiritual solvent, a precise spoken phrase with the power to melt subconscious blocks, the same way heat melts ice. Not willpower, not struggle. Dissolution. Today, we're reactivating 7 of these forgotten phrases. Before we get to the phrases themselves, you need to understand one core law Florence taught again and again. What you resist persists. Every time you say, "I can't afford this," every time you tense up looking at your bank account, you are reinforcing the very lack you're trying to escape. Florence's method wasn't about denying your reality. It was about speaking a higher truth over it, calmly, steadily, until your subconscious mind accepted a new frequency. This is the state of divine calm she wrote about. Not frantic positivity, but a deep, settled knowing that your supply is already secured. Let's go through the 7 forgotten phrases now. Say each one slowly. Feel it, don't just read it. Phrase 1. I now release all fear of lack, and I move into the assurance of abundant supply. This phrase directly targets fear at its root, not the money itself, but the fear underneath it. Phrase 2. Money flows to me freely, copiously, and endlessly. Florence loved rhythm in her phrases. The 3-part structure, freely, copiously, endlessly, creates a kind of hypnotic repetition that settles into the subconscious mind. Phrase 3. I am an irresistible magnet for all that belongs to me by divine right. Notice this phrase doesn't beg or hustle for money. It claims what is already meant to be yours. Phrase 4. I cast the burden of my finances on the Christ within, and I go free. This was one of Florence's favorites. The idea of literally releasing the weight of worry onto a higher power, so your shoulders can finally relax. If you're feeling that shift already, even a little lighter, go ahead and hit subscribe now, because we have 3 more powerful phrases coming up, plus a full sleep meditation on this channel, designed to plant these exact affirmations into your subconscious while you rest. Phrase 5. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. This phrase dissolves the fear of spending, one of the biggest hidden sources of financial anxiety. Phrase 6. I am now open and receptive to all the good and abundance of the universe. Notice the emphasis on receiving. Florence taught that many people are so busy trying to earn or force money that they forget how to simply receive it. Phrase 7. Divine order is now established in my mind, my body, and my financial affairs. This final phrase brings everything back to order. Not chaos, not scrambling, but calm, divine order in every area touched by money. These 7 phrases aren't meant to be said once and forgotten. Florence taught that repetition builds conviction, and conviction is what finally dissolves the old frequency of lack. Speak them slowly in the morning, before you even check your phone. Speak them again at night, as the last thing your mind absorbs before sleep. Over time, you're not just repeating words, you're rebuilding the very foundation your financial reality stands on. Stop hustling against your own resistance. Stop fighting a battle that was never meant to be fought with force. These 7 phrases are your spiritual solvents. Quiet, steady, dissolving every block standing between you and the abundance that already belongs to you. Speak them, trust them, and watch your financial reality begin to shift, not through struggle, but through calm, divine alignment. If this video helped you, subscribe for more of Florence Scovel Shinn's forgotten wisdom, and I'll see you in the next one.